CrePal, the world's first one-stop AI video creation agent, extremely low usage thresholds, integrated the best models and services, and helps the user by the entire process of video generation with just a few words. Let's go in. So first you go on CrePal.ai. After signing up you come to this page here. Here you can ask CrePal to create a video about. You just have to enter a text. You can also upload files, and you can also select all popular services here like Kling, Sora or View Free, which is amazing. So we have this prompt here. We want a person films in an hospital, but the camera catches a figure standing just behind him in the mirror. It should be a horror style video, 4 shots, 20 seconds. Let's see. Well, I'm just stunned what CrePal did here. It took some minutes, but he did exactly that what we wanted. Let's look at it.
Looks deserted. Wait, did you see that? There's nobody here. What the?
The quality is amazing. The shots are very nice. He understood our prompt correctly. There's no deformation, no blurriness. CrePal just added sounds and a voiceover automatically from our prompt with just a few words. That's amazing what CrePal did here. We can also adjust things here, like we want the other text. Just click on the text, chat to edit, and enter the adjustment. Make him say that the atmosphere is very spooky. We just hit enter. Now CrePal adjusting the things here. As you can see, he's synthesizing the speech. Now he's deleting our clip we wanted to edit. He's adding the subtitles again. He's adding the audio clip again. He's summarizing us the result, what he did. He completed the operation. He updated the timeline. He now checks if the music reference is fine. It's just amazing how detailed he's presenting us the result and the adjustments. Let's look at it.
The atmosphere is very spooky.
He did exactly that what we wanted. He did not change anything at the clip. He just edited the subtitles, the voiceover automatically just from a few words. That's amazing. We have also a description about the whole scene here. If you click on script, you see the script overview. It's a VHS found footage. What's the total duration, the art style, the character design, the scene design, the music, the storyboard. It's just great. If you go back to the preview, you can download the whole video, or you can do also further adjustments here. Very nice. And during my videos, CrePal just released a new update, the Minimaps section. We have 3 new features here: PDF to AI video, AI MV generator, and AI video editor. So let's try the PDF to AI video. We upload any PDF or doc file. He will analyze it and turn it into a beautiful crafted AI generated video. Here we have a PDF script from a resume turned like into a story from a journey of a young developer evolving from a coder to an architect. We enter the prompt, create a video about my resume story as a 3D animation, and this is the result.
Hi, I'm Alex, and this is the story behind my journey. It all started with curiosity, a fascination for how technology could make everyday life simpler and smarter. I began as a developer, eager to learn and build. Every bug taught me patience. Every project taught me growth. Over time, I moved from just writing code to designing systems.
As we can see, he took the story, made all voiceover, made all images, clips, very nice. Next, the MV generator feature. I created a little song about dogs are best friends. Show dogs are the best friends of humans. Hit generate. Let's look at it.
They don't care what car I drive or how late I come home at night. Till whack, world fine, every bark feel.
I'm stunned how good CrePal did that. He took the music and generated a whole video about it with just a few words about dogs. It's really great, the quality is insane. Very nice. Next we look at the AI video editor. Just click on it. Upload your video. We have a 2-minute snowboarding video. We only want the highlights of it. Perfectly for upload to TikTok or Instagram. We hit generate, and this is the result. He edited into a 40 seconds video with fitting background music.
Here we go. So good soft snow. Flow state. Deep pow. Side hit.
So he shortened the video and put a new background music on it. It can't be easier. Very nice, very good. On CrePal.ai is also a templates overview. You can use different templates ready to use. Let's look at it. Let's try this one, doorbell, pet delivery. Try it now. Now he's asking us what we want to do. He explains it's a video template based on a fixed perspective and comedy style. Let's try an unhappy cat at the doorbell and we hit enter. So we choose the template doorbell pet delivery and we mentioned the unhappy cat. Now he wants clarification, what delivery tool should be used and what item is the cat delivering. Only these questions here are already amazing. The chatbot is very intelligent here. So we enter unhappy cat with mini UFO delivering a confidential document. We hit enter. So as you can see, he leads us through the whole process here. We just enter a few words here. He's guiding us through all the questions. Very nice, very easy to understand. Now he's generating the video with Google View free. Let's skip this part. So let's download the video first. We want the full video, no watermark and 1080p resolution. Let's go and let's look at it. Yes, he did exactly that what we wanted. Unhappy cat, UFO, secret document. To the pricing of CrePal, you have different options to choose from. You have the free membership with 200 free credits. On the Plus and Pro, you have even more credits, priority task queue, and enhanced stability with dedicated resources. So if you liked CrePal, just visit the website. See you in the next one.